of innovation, technology, including AI and blockchain, this is the CSharpCorner Daily Tech Updates. I'm Amber, bringing you the latest stories shaping the future of technology from New York City. OpenAI has introduced Education for Countries, a new global initiative aimed at helping governments modernize education systems using AI. As part of OpenAI for Countries, the program brings tools like ChatGPT Edu and GPT-5.2 into schools and universities to personalize learning, reduce administrative workload, and prepare students for AI-driven jobs. Countries including Estonia, Greece, Italy, Jordan, UAE, and others are already part of the first cohort. OpenAI says education is key to closing the gap between AI capability and real-world use, as nearly 40% of workforce skills are expected to change by 2030. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang shared a personal story at the World Economic Forum in Davos, calling a Mercedes-Benz S-Class he bought for his parents the most expensive car in the world. Huang revealed he sold Nvidia stock when the company was valued at just $300 million to buy the car, stock that would now be worth billions as Nvidia's market cap crossed $4 trillion. He also described AI as a 5-layer cake, explaining how AI infrastructure is creating jobs across energy, chips, data centers, models, and applications. Zoho co-founder Sridhar Vembu has warned software engineers against relying entirely on vibe coding, where AI writes most of the code. Instead, he proposed a new approach called AI-assisted code engineering, AC. Vembu says ACE keeps strong engineering discipline while using AI as a productivity tool, not a replacement for engineers. According to him, ACE can help engineers stay relevant and productive amid growing fears of AI-driven job losses in the tech industry. Adobe has announced major AI upgrades to Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Firefly ahead of the Sundance Film Festival. The updates include AI-powered masking in Premiere, new 3D and typography tools in After Effects, and direct integration with Firefly boards for faster creative planning. Adobe says the changes are designed to reduce repetitive post-production work while giving creators more control. The updates will roll out with the 26.0 release in 2026. At Davos, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang described AI as the foundation of the largest infrastructure build-out in human history. He explained AI as a 5-layer system: energy, computing hardware, data centers, models, and applications, all of which must be built and maintained. Huang said AI is increasing demand for skilled labor rather than destroying jobs, especially in healthcare, manufacturing, and construction. He also urged countries to treat AI like national infrastructure, similar to electricity or roads. A public feud between Elon Musk and OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has intensified after Musk warned that using ChatGPT could lead to deaths, citing mental health risks. Altman responded by pointing out that Tesla Autopilot has also been linked to fatal incidents, calling for responsibility and stronger safety guardrails across the tech industry. The exchange comes amid Musk's ongoing lawsuit against OpenAI and renewed scrutiny over AI safety, user protection, and accountability. And that's all from today's edition of the Tech News Roundup. For more daily tech updates, follow CSharpCorner on social media or visit csharpcorner.news.